Welcome back, everyone. It's time for the next Go Skills Excel Weekly Challenge. This week, we're focusing on data validation and formulas, and our Excel expert, Claudia Buckley, has a great challenge in store for you.
It's time for a new Go Skills Excel challenge, and I'm excited. Today, you'll be designing an interactive spreadsheet by using some Excel tools we've featured in our past videos. At this school, there are 4 program pathways: Arts, Business, Science, and Technology. Each pathway has 7 subjects, and students need to choose one pathway, kind of like a major. Now, they do have to take 7 subjects, but only 4 subjects have to be from their pathway. They have the option of selecting the other 3 from any program area they like. But if they want to, they can select all 7 from the pathway. Now, you need to come up with 2 things. 1, an electronic course selection form that minimizes or eliminates the possibility of breaking the rules we just mentioned. And 2, assuming that these are the selections that everyone finally decided on, how would you design a student selection query sheet where the school administrators can look up a student selection by their name? For this exercise, even though we use the word design, we're really more concerned with function over form. So don't worry too much if your interface isn't as visually appealing as you'd like it to be. We just want to know that you know the Excel techniques that'll be able to accomplish this task. Download the file in the description to get started. This challenge will call on lots of different Excel skills. You'll definitely need to know about data validation, and you'll need some formula knowledge. Maybe you're already a whiz, so you don't need any help. But maybe you do need some brushing up, so you can click on the information icon at the top of this video for hints. If there's anything else you think you might need, check out our resource library and you might get some ideas. Also, share your questions or ideas on our Slack channel. And when you're done, share your file with us. I'm excited to see what you come up with.
Think you have what it takes to tackle this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the dataset. Feel free to share your progress or ideas in the comments section below. Or even better, join the Go Skills Slack channel to chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And want to know Claudia's solution? Well, subscribe to this channel. We'll be releasing the solution video next week, and you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how she solves this challenge. So, let the fun begin. Good luck.